Which way did you put it on? You didn't.
You know, we could just press the safety button to let you out. I'm joking.
You're gonna need a higher speed than that. Here,
No,
I don't want to be here.
I don't think I've ever used it on pure steel, so I'm gonna go get the goggles. Can you look away while I'm doing this? I'm very conscious of getting a shard in the eye.
Oh, poor you.
There we go.
It's Katie Price's.
Okay, this is Tilly release, take 2.
Cut him. You shall not pass. Whoa, be careful, Pete.
Tilly!
First thing you do is move.
Tickle, tickle, tickle.
Oh, you're cutting brilliant.
Load diffuser.
Turbo speed.
0, baby!
What hand do you wank with?
You stop. Let me know when you're close to the end.
How do you feel about this, Tilly?
A little bit now.
How about you, Dano?
I'm feeling great about it. Cut him.
How about you, Peter?
See, when I laughed, his shakes up.
0, baby.
See it on the side?
Yeah.
It's gone already. We might do it in one blade actually on this. The only thing that can stop us is the tower out.
far away.
It's kind of cushy when it goes all the way through, isn't it? Yeah.
You'll probably finish it off a lot quicker with a chisel.
Yeah.
Hammer.
Oh, you miss and you break his fucking arm.
Stop it.
You're gonna have to hold someone's hand when he cuts it.
It's okay.
Sick.
Oh, if I get you in the eye, no.
No, it's deadly.
What, did a bit come out? Oh.
Pete. Oh,
Burn, is it?
yeah.
Don't stop. That's what I made. That's not that hot.
There you go.
You want? Sorry, the sword in.
No.
Will this black shit wash off? No.
Yeah, it's probably like metal foil. It'll come off in a second.
Put on at least one.
Man, so I don't want to keep cutting.
Oh. Actually, if I put my hand down like that,
You put it in sepia? Or...
thank you, Tilly. No, it's not now.
Oh, do you want to get a close up? That's, do you see how much is left? Look down the barrel, see it? No, look straight down on through the cut on the top. You see how much is left?
Oh
Yeah.
Got nothing. Let my people go.
Tilly doesn't believe in this.
You don't fuck yourself, you jealous brat. Jealous of my greatness.
So great, get yourself out of this. This is the final cut through. So let your Tilly breathe. I seriously don't know what it is. I can't tell you what these things are.
Don't worry, don't
Yeah,
worry.
no.
You sure, eh?
It looks like you're resting.
No, I need to put that in your face. There is ever so little of a sliver left.
Stop it.
Stop what?
Everything.
Can you see how much is left there?
Yeah.
Stop.
I'm trying to go. Oh, fucking hell.
Did I get you?
You're close.
I don't think you will come.
Fucking hell.
Did I get you?
Yeah.
Sorry.
Ah.
Sorry.
Oh, fucking Rex.
You didn't cut you though.
So.
Whoa!
Pete, stop it.
No, stop, just stop moving. Stop moving and I've got it. Stop joking aside. I'm gonna
Oh, God damn it, Brian.
turn it
Whoa.
down a bit.
Stop it.
Ah! Is that getting you? Alright, let me tilt it a bit. Tilly free!
Ah.
Aw.
Thanks, mate.
Success!
Fucking hell.
You know what I'm saying?
Ah, nervy.